Now seeing, yes, right. Now see the problem once again. I will explain. Right, once again I will explain the see the problem. So see the everyone, once again I will explain. Integral of a to y cos of definite integral a to y cos of t square dt pi by 2 x square sin t by t square. Okay, na? The dt then dy by dx is equal to required value. First, the derivative is required. That's why the derivative answer is required. I am going to apply the derivative with respect to x. Derivative with respect to x. Therefore, I am going to apply the derivative with respect to x on both sides. Derivative with respect to x on both sides. Okay, na? So now I am going to work out. So Newton's method is telling that derivative and integration both are cancelled. Derivative and integration both are cancelled. That's why upper limit substitute in place of t minus lower limit substitute in place of t. Where we have t, immediately that place substitute. So cos of upper limit, cos of t place is the y square into t place is the y, but derivative with respect to x, this is the d derivative, that's why dy by dx minus lower limit cos of a square t place is the a square derivative of a with respect to x, therefore dA by dx. Here also same. So derivative integration cancel. First apply the upper limit. So here is the x square. Sorry, x square. So now sin of t place is the x square by x square whole square is x power of 4. T place is the x square derivative with respect to x. T place is the x square derivative with respect to x. Okay, na? Derivative with respect to x. Next I will write. So same lower limit also I will apply. Derivative with respect to x. Now cos of y square dy by dx. Constant derivative is 0. Total is 0. Sin of x square by x power of 4. X square derivative is the 2x. And the remaining constant derivative is 0. Constant derivative is 0. Okay, na? Right. Next, dy by dx is equal to 2x into sin of x square by x power of 4 into cos of y square. One x term is cancelled, we get the same answer. That is the first option is the correct one. Okay, na? First option is the correct one. Right. So here is 2, here is the x is cancelled. Therefore, 2 sin of x square by denominator is the x cube into cos of y square. So first option is the same. Pick the first option is the correct one. Newton's method you should be remembered. Newton's method you should be remembered. Okay, na? Right. I go through the fifth problem. I go through the fifth problem. Right. See everyone, fifth problem. Fifth problem is if x is equal to t power of t power of t, y is equal to t power of t, then dy by dx is, then dy by dx is, then dy by dx is, right? You can work out the problem first, everyone. Then dy by dx is variable to the power of variable logarithmic method. Variable to the power of variable logarithmic method. First one in terms the problem is variable to the power of variable logarithmic method. Log x is equal to log of t power of t. So log x is equal to t log t. Now apply the derivative with respect to t. So 1 by x into dx by dt is equal to u into v formula t log t derivative is the 1 by t log t silent t derivative with respect to t is 1, t cancel, dx by dt is equal to x into 1 plus log t, x into 1 plus log t. Now second one you should be take and work out, start logarithmic method, you should be work out logarithmic method. So first one is log take y is equal to log y, log of t power of t whole power of t. 1t power comes before log y is equal to t, log of t power of t, log of t power of t. Again logarithm power is come before, again logarithm power is come before. So again we should be take log, any power is there, we should be take log once again. Sorry, this is t power of t comes before, power should come before. Now take again log of log y, log of log y is equal to log of t power of t into log t, t power of t into log t. Now apply log of log t, log of log y is equal to log m into n, log of t power of t plus log of log t, log of log t, right? T comes before, log of log y, log of log y is equal to t into log t plus log of log t, plus log of log t. Now apply the derivative with respect to t. Log derivative is the 1 by log y. By the chain rule, log y derivative is the y. Y derivative with respect to t is the dy by dt. Next, u into v formula, t, log t derivative is the 1 by t, log t is silent, and t derivative is 1. Next, plus log derivative is the 1 by log t. By the chain rule, log t derivative is the t, t derivative with respect to t is the 1. Now write down the dy by dx, everyone. Here t cancel. So dy by dt, dy by dt is equal to y log y into 1 plus log t, 1 plus log t plus 1 by t log t, 1 by t log t. Now write down the dy by dx. Everyone write down the dy by dx. Everyone write down the dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt, dy by dt by dx by dt. Write down everyone. Everyone write down. dy by dx is equal to dy by dt value. Write down. What is the dy by dt? Y log y, y log y, 1 plus log t, 1 plus log t, 1 plus log t plus 1 by t log t, 1 by t log t. By denominator is dx by dt the x, 1 plus log t, 1 plus log t. That is the required answer. Somebody will write y means y value should be write down. Y means y value, x means x value, write down. Y means y value, x means x value, write down. The problem should be completed in terms of t, not in terms of y and x. Y value means y, write down. X value means x, write down and simplify. Okay, na? Right, I go through the sixth problem. Fast we can come to the sixth problem, everyone. Sixth problem, right? See, the sixth problem is if x is equal to, if x is equal to a secant cube t and y is equal to a tan cube t. Then dy by d, then find then d square y by dx square at x is equal to pi by 4, t is equal to pi by 4. Right. Work out this problem first. 2 times derivative is required. 2 times derivative is required first. This problem is completed with this model is completed. First you can do 2 times derivative is required. 2 times derivative is required with respect to x only. First dx by dt find out. So first dx by dt find out. Dx by dt, dy by dt find out first. Dx by dt is equal to a 3 power sine secant t whole power of 3 minus 1 by the chain rule secant t derivative is secant t tan t. Right, this is completed. Find out the dy by dt, everyone. Find out the dy by dt. Find out the dy by dt. Dy by dt, find out dy by dt. A coefficient power derivative tan t. So 3 into tan t derivative is. So 3 minus 1 by the chain rule t tan t derivative is the secant square t. Now write down dy by dx is equal to d